Ciao world, step 2 of the repair of this Mac. In the previous video I have cleaned the component. I thought it was all okay, I posted the video and like a few days later it stopped working again. So I decided just to change that component, and that component was the inductor that takes the clock signal to the LVDS of the desktop, and it makes some kind of sense due to the noise I get on the monitor. And now it's like a couple of months that it works and without problems. So I think I can this time tell this as solved. So I have replaced this component here. Can you see? This is an inductor, double inductor for the clock positive and negative differential line, and it kind of makes sense of the thing I was doing my monitor.